Sure, here is a script on stock market basics for your YouTube channel, Prince Trader. Intro. Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Prince Trader. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the basics of the stock market. If you're new to investing, this video is for you. I'll be covering topics such as what the stock market is, how it works, and how to get started. What is the stock market? The stock market is a marketplace where people can buy and sell shares of ownership in companies. When you buy a share of stock, you become a part owner of the company. The price of a stock is determined by supply and demand. If more people want to buy a stock than sell it, the price will go up. If more people want to sell a stock than buy it, the price will go down. How does the stock market work? The stock market is made up of two main types of exchanges: stock exchanges and over-the-counter (OTC) markets. Stock exchanges, such as the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, and the Nasdaq, are physical places where buyers and sellers can meet to trade stocks. OTC markets, on the other hand, are electronic marketplaces where buyers and sellers can trade stocks without having to meet in person. How to get started? If you want to get started investing in the stock market, there are a few things you need to do. First, you need to open a brokerage account. A brokerage account is a type of account that allows you to buy and sell stocks and other securities. Once you have opened a brokerage account, you can start buying and selling stocks. How to research stocks? Before you buy or sell stocks, it is important to research the companies that you are interested in. You can research stocks by reading company financial statements, news articles, and analyst reports. You can also use online tools to research stocks. How to manage your risk? When you invest in stocks, it is important to manage your risk. There are a number of ways to manage your risk, such as diversifying your portfolio, using stop-loss orders, and setting realistic goals. Conclusion. That's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.